Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by exposing the post and targeting the interface. Remove the saddle and accessories so you can see the seat post fully, then clean grime from the tube. Next, back off the clamp or quick-release bolt until it's loose. This reduces binding. Apply a liberal amount of penetrating oil into the gap and let it soak for 15 to 30 minutes so the lubricant migrates into corrosion. While it soaks, prepare your tools: a long metal bar, strap wrench, and a block of wood for leverage. Once soaked, you switch to controlled force. Wrap a strap wrench or wide strap around the post to avoid crushing and protect the frame with a wood block between strap and tube. Hold the frame steady and apply steady, increasing torque, don't jerk. If initial pull fails, strike the top of the post gently downward and rotating with a rubber mallet. The shock helps break corrosion bonds. Keep alternating short taps with steady pull. Be patient. If the post starts to move, continue slow rotation while pulling straight up to remove it smoothly. When the post comes free, stop and inspect both parts. Clean inside the frame and the seat post with solvent and a rag, removing corrosion and old grease. Debur any rough edges lightly. Apply anti-seize compound or appropriate grease before reinstalling at the marked height so you preserve fit and prevent recurrence. Make sure clamp torque matches manufacturer spec. If you never get movement despite taps and heat, make sure you've soaked long enough and consider frame-specific extracting tools or a professional mechanic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.